The realities of travel. These people cancel my flight less than 8 hours before the flight. And before you say, why do I have makeup to talk about a sad video? Well, I realized that I will be home tonight and tomorrow. I might as well make my videos tonight. As you know, I'm supposed to go to Halifax for stop number 5 of my cross Canada tour. And so I got home from work and I was like, you know what? Let me just take a quick nap, start packing and start getting ready because my flight was supposed to be at 6 a.m. After my quick nap, I woke up at 7 p.m. tonight and I realized that my flight is canceled. They sent me an email notification and a text and I'm like, what does that even mean? And then they tell me that they have rescheduled me to another flight, and if it's not convenient, then I can just cancel to get a refund. So I check in the next flight that is rescheduled me for, and it's on Saturday, and I'm like, this is absolutely not convenient because first of all, I was supposed to leave for Halifax today. I changed it personally because I had something that came up at work that I needed to attend to, and then I changed it to tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. and they changed my 6 a.m. flight to Saturday, and I'm like, this is not gonna give me enough time for me to do everything that I have to do in Halifax. The flight is canceled, and I'm not gonna be going to Halifax this weekend, unfortunately. And at this point, I looked for another flight to see if I could maybe book a flight right away tonight to leave so that I can actually have the full day tomorrow in Halifax. But the flights are 2 times the price. Like, I looked for a one-way ticket and it's 2 times the price of what I paid for this flight. And secondly, I felt like, you know what, if this company already canceled my outgoing flight, you know, I don't know how I would feel about returning with them because my return flight in such a way that after, when I get back to Toronto, I go back to work. And if they cancel that too, what's gonna happen to me? So in my head already, the trust is kind of gone and I'm like, you know what, I don't wanna take any chances. I'm just gonna move ahead and cancel the departure flight and switch my travel dates to a time when the flight tickets are a little bit cheaper, because it wouldn't make sense for me to just buy a one-way flight to Halifax right now, which is like twice the price of what I paid for the original flight. So I wanted to share this with you guys, the realities of travel. I don't want to name the airline, and honestly you guys, initially I was annoyed, but I'm also at a point in my life where I feel like, you know what, God, if you let something happen, I'm just gonna wait for the silver lining. Like, I'm in my silver lining era. So I was initially annoyed, but I was like, yeah, you know what? Let's just see what's gonna happen because there's gotta be a silver lining. Anyways, have you ever had that kind of situation where you were ready, excited, packed, and ready to go, and you just cancel your flight?